Hi, this is LT Survival. Well, I've already ran that video once. Problem is, camera wasn't on. Happens. So this time, for the real video, we're going to be doing a knife evaluation, the FB760 from FireBird line of Ganzo in carbon fiber. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, you've been seeing me reviewing many Ganzos. I've decided to collect knife, decided that I wanted to have many shapes of them. This iteration is also one of their most beautiful. I think it is even an original design for Ganzo, one of the rare, which are not kind of inspired by or spin-off of others. They still have the access lock. They have the blue hardware on it, better quality, I'm told, by Jake, which has disassembled most knife. And it has one particularity. It has one of the rare deep clip. I'm going to be showing you a close-up of that knife. You're going to see it's a beautiful piece of engineering. So, what's different from this knife? Well, it is carbon fiber. It is milled out liners, deep pocket clip with a black pocket clip, a colored, titanium coated. The new coating on the Ganzo is pretty tough. You're going to see some scuff mark on it, but not much more than that. And I've used it to unpack and break boxes down. So pretty good. Slick action. We have, if I remember correctly, because I should have done that video again a long time ago, let me look at it. And sometimes we can see if it's, I think it's ball bearing. So very nice knife, very nice action on it. It breaks and it becomes really easy to open, unlike CBS's Pleasure. This one is not gravitational, because even if I unlock it, and I'm gonna show you, well, this one just happened to be slack enough to do so, but this is not gravitational. Gravitational knife will pull out of the front. It's out of the front. So it's another story. Maybe I'll do a video about that. Rules in Canada has gone stupid, even though this knife is perfectly legal to be owned. Let's do a close-up and change the tone. Okay. Okay, let's focus. Let's turn a bit of light so that way it doesn't pixelize too much. Okay, that's better. Okay. First of all, the number. Let's focus. FB760, made by Ganzo, FireBird brand. You're going to see the brand on the other side. Oops. Here, the FireBird. Made by Ganzo in 440C as usual. Their favorite steel, and they mastered that steel pretty well. A drop point with a swedge on top, with a small finger ramp on it, a squarish handle but with cutouts here that makes you grip this knife like if there were no tomorrow. I mean, this knife goes in your hand smoothly, and I think it's, oh, you see the milled out there on that one, a little more there, and if we look on this side, you're gonna see there's milled out on top and bottom of the knife throughout. There's some of them here. You can see them. My knife is dirty a little. I've been carrying this knife for weeks and I really like it. Very non-feeling. That carbon fiber is beautiful. Again, Same carbon fiber. Big hole for your lanyard if you are a fan of it. Access to the screws through that, but it's underneath the scale, so no left or right, just the right hand tip up type of carry with an access lock again. Blue hardware, which are basically screws, torque screws, a back spacer with some simile jimpings on it just for the feel of it, but gives you not much purchase on that part. But the knife itself sticks in your hand like if there were nothing on it. So it is a slick handle. Oh, maybe I should show more the blade. You see the scuff mark there? Okay, that's weeks of cutting boxes, and it didn't degrade more than that. I stropped that knife back to life. Okay, it is sweet. The scale are through and through, I think. If I can't confirm it, but I've read that they were through and through carbon fiber, so not G10 with carbon fiber. This knife fits in your hand, like I said, very easily. Fits in any direction easily. It is well made, nice blade stock with a tinning of the blade. It's a saber grind, okay? It's not a full flat grind like most of them. Easy to strap and to maintain with ball bearings. Not much more to say about this knife. Maybe I should do a little cut test. Let's cut here. I'll get the paper and we'll come back. One of the flyers here. Very thin paper. I've already done some cut tests on new knives I've received. Yay, they finally passed the border. Okay, let's see if I can do a... Oh, I have a call. It's been... I've used a lot of this knife. It's only been strapped back, so it might not cut as well as the usual. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, it rips a little. Okay, because I have not brought back the blade to the same level it used to be. Okay, this is after use. I've used it a lot, not to really sharpen it, besides a little stropping, and I'm not sure I'm doing the stropping the right way. So, no, I mean, I do the right way, but not the way it's supposed to be. So, a great knife, very light compared to many Ganzos, which were bricks, and it's thick and thin enough to fit in hand and everything, so it's really a good purchase. This one is kind of a their own design, really nice blade with carbon fiber. I really like the effect of carbon fiber, so much so that I've started buying back the same knife I have but in carbon fiber. So for those that I didn't buy in carbon fiber, I'm trying to acquire them if CBSA wants to let them through. Last couple of knife, as you see on the table there's a couple of boxes. These are brand spanking knife. I've got new Reich. They're not really nice, really nice, and I'm gonna review them out of the box probably. So thanks for watching. Give the thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.